Welcome to Hidden Gem Destinations. Today we uncover the lesser-known treasures of the United Kingdom, a land steeped in history and brimming with natural wonders. Nestled in the heart of England, the Cotswolds unfurl like a tapestry woven from rolling hills, honey-coloured stone villages, and ancient woodlands that have stood the test of time. Imagine meandering down narrow lanes, flanked by cottages adorned with climbing roses and wisteria, their scents mingling in the gentle breeze. Each village a unique gem, from the bustling market town of Stow-on-the-Wold with its rich history and vibrant community, to the tranquil beauty of Bourton-on-the-Water with its charming bridges crisscrossing the River Windrush, creating picturesque reflections. The Cotswolds are a sanctuary for wildlife too. Keep a watchful eye for the flash of blue as a kingfisher darts along the riverbanks, a true spectacle of nature, or the majestic soar of a red kite overhead, its wings cutting through the sky with grace. And as the day draws to a close, unwind in a cosy corner of a traditional country pub, the scent of wood smoke and local ale filling the air, creating a perfect end to your day. This is the essence of the Cotswolds, a place to escape the hustle and bustle, reconnect with nature, and experience the timeless charm of rural England, where every moment feels like a step back in time. From the heart of England we venture north to the rugged embrace of the Scottish Highlands and to the Isle of Skye, a place where myth and reality intertwine. Born of ancient volcanic upheavals, Skye's landscape is a dramatic symphony of towering cliffs, wind-swept moorlands, and hidden glens. Imagine standing atop the Curragh, gazing out at a panorama of jagged peaks that pierce the clouds. Venture to the wind-swept shores of Nice Point, where the lighthouse stands sentinel against the crashing waves of the Atlantic. History whispers through the stones of Skye's castles. From the romantic ruins of Dunvegan Castle to the imposing Eilean Castle, the Isle of Skye is a place that stirs the soul, a land of raw beauty, ancient legends, and unforgettable encounters. The Giant's Causeway, a geological marvel. Our journey takes a turn for the extraordinary as we venture to the northern coast of Northern Ireland, to a place where legend and geology collide, the Giant's Causeway, a place of immense natural beauty. Here, along the rugged coastline, lie thousands of hexagonal basalt columns, interlocking like a giant's jigsaw puzzle, stretching out into the sea, creating a mesmerizing sight. Legend has it that these extraordinary formations were created by the giant Finn McCool, who built a causeway across the North Channel to challenge a rival Scottish giant, showcasing his strength. But the true story of the Giant's Causeway is no less remarkable. These formations were born of volcanic fire some 60 million years ago, when molten lava cooled and contracted, creating these unique hexagonal patterns that we see today. The Giant's Causeway is a place of wonder and awe, a reminder that nature is the ultimate artist, capable of creating beauty on a truly epic scale, leaving us in perpetual admiration. The Cornish Coast, where England meets the Atlantic. From the rugged north we journey south to the very edge of England, to the Cornish coast, where land meets sea in a dramatic embrace. This is a land shaped by the elements, where towering cliffs plunge into the Atlantic, where hidden coves shelter sandy beaches, and where the air is alive with the tang of salt spray. Imagine strolling along the southwest coast path, one of England's most spectacular walking trails, as the sun glints off the turquoise waters below. Explore the ruins of Tintagel Castle, perched precariously on a wind-swept headland said to be the birthplace of King Arthur. The Cornish coast is a place to escape, breathe in the fresh sea air, and lose yourself in the timeless beauty of England's Atlantic edge. The Isle of Wight, a gem off the southern coast. Just a stone's throw from the bustling south coast of England lies a hidden gem, the Isle of Wight, a place where time seems to move at a gentler pace. This island, often referred to as England in miniature, boasts a diverse landscape of rolling hills, dramatic cliffs, sandy beaches, and charming villages. Imagine stepping back in time as you wander through the cobbled streets of Ryde with its Victorian pier and elegant architecture. Hike along the dramatic chalk cliffs of the Needles, where the iconic white stacks rise majestically from the sea. Whether you seek history, natural beauty, or simply a relaxing escape, the Isle of Wight offers something for everyone. Our journey takes us now to the heart of England, to a region of rugged beauty and untamed landscapes, the Peak District, a place where nature's raw power is on full display. This is a hiker's paradise, where rolling hills give way to dramatic gritstone edges, where deep valleys carve through the landscape, creating breathtaking vistas at every turn, and where ancient stone villages offer a glimpse into the region's rich history and timeless charm. Imagine striding across the heather-clad moors, the wind in your hair, feeling truly alive as you soak up the panoramic views that stretch for miles. The Peak District is a tapestry woven from diverse landscapes, the dark peak with its dramatic gritstone edges and the white peak with its rolling hills and limestone dales, each offering unique experiences. Explore the charming market town of Bakewell, famed for its delicious Bakewell tarts, a true local delicacy, or venture to the elegant spa town of Buxton with its Georgian architecture and thermal springs, perfect for relaxation. The Peak District is a place to reconnect with nature, challenge yourself physically, and experience the raw beauty of the English uplands, a true testament to nature's grandeur. The Norfolk Broads, a water wonderland. From the rugged uplands, we venture east to a landscape shaped by water, the Norfolk Broads. This network of interconnected rivers and lakes, often described as Britain's magical waterland, offers a unique perspective on the English countryside. Imagine gliding along tranquil waterways in a traditional Norfolk wherry. The gentle lapping of water against the hull, the rustling of reeds in the breeze, and the calls of marsh harriers overhead. The Broads are a haven for wildlife. Keep a watchful eye for kingfishers darting along the banks, otters frolicking in the reeds, and majestic marsh harriers soaring overhead. The Norfolk Broads are a place to escape the hustle and bustle, reconnect with nature, and experience the tranquility of life on the water. The Scottish Highlands, where legends are born. We return now to the wild and untamed beauty of the Scottish Highlands, a land of rugged mountains, shimmering lochs, and ancient forests. Imagine driving along winding roads that snake through valleys carved by glaciers, past towering peaks shrouded in mist and ancient castles perched precariously on craggy outcrops. Hike through ancient Caledonian pine forests, where the air is thick with the scent of pine needles, and the only sounds are the calls of birds and the rustling of leaves underfoot. Visit the ruins of Urquhart Castle, dramatically situated on the banks of Loch Ness, and listen to tales of the legendary monster said to inhabit its depths. The Scottish Highlands are a place to lose yourself in nature, delve into history, and experience the magic and mystery of this extraordinary land. The Isles of Skye, an archipelago of tranquility. Our final destination takes us off the southwestern tip of Cornwall to a place where time seems to stand still, the Isles of Skye. This archipelago of over 140 islands, islets and rocks lies scattered like emeralds in the turquoise waters of the Atlantic. Imagine stepping ashore on St. Mary's Cess, the largest of the islands, and breathing in the fresh sea air, fragrant with the scent of wildflowers. Explore the island's pristine beaches, lapped by crystal-clear waters, perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and simply soaking up the tranquility. The Isles of Skye are a place to escape the ordinary, reconnect with nature, and discover a slower, more tranquil way of life. So there you have it. 10 hidden gems of the United Kingdom, each with its unique charm and allure. I hope these stories have inspired you to embark on your own adventures, to discover the hidden treasures that lie off the beaten path, and to create your own unforgettable memories. So keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep the spirit of adventure alive.